What up, guys? This is my 2009 Fit Wi-Fi bike check. The frame is a 20.75 top tube with 8-inch tall seat post, integrated clamp, 12.25 or 12.75 back end. It used to be blue or orange, now it's raw. Now I have a Odyssey Aiken Nightwolf seat. It's really comfy. It's my favorite seat. Shadow Conspiracy post on it still. See, I got the Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. It's like brand new. Probably one of my favorite sprockets so far. KMC half link. I like it because it works both ways. You can flip it upside down and all that shit. And it's probably the best one I've ridden. Still riding the Profile DDH cranks with McNeil bottom bracket, Shadow Conspiracy PC Ravager pedals. The back rim is a Demolition hub laced to an Alienation rim with Fit Bikeco tire, and that dope ass purple shoelace. And then for bars, I'm still running the Kink Badger bars with now I'm running Adam Benton grips with the Odyssey Power ends. They're probably my favorite grips. They're really grippy, not too stiff. They wear in pretty good, but they don't tear up really fast. I really recommend these. And then Sunday 2.1 Morning Forks, favorite forks ever. They've lasted me forever. Front rim is a older style Profile front hub. Before they had like the female axles. Just got new cone spacers for it. Laced to my premium nitrous double shot rim, and it's got a Odyssey P-Light tire on it, the Odyssey Aiken, and Odyssey integrated headset, Verde stem. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching my bike check. Check out my buddy's edit. His username's FreeAgent217. Check him out. Alright, thanks. Peace.